Hello, grade 2. Welcome back. This is Miss Asma, and today is the first session in quarter 4. Today, we're going to talk about a system of counting which makes counting more easier, which is called tally marks. Let's see together what are tally marks. Tally marks are a quick way of counting to help us organize data or information in groups of 5. So, how to draw tally marks? The number of each information is marked by a vertical line like that. So this is the first vertical line in our counting any data, any information. So, when we count 4 of these vertical lines like that, the fifth one will cross them together by this way. So, every fifth tally is recorded by crossing through the previous 4 vertical lines as the same way. This makes up counting the tallies easy. Let's take an example. Here in this picture we have some fruits. He said to me, count the objects given below and prepare table. We can see in these pictures mangoes, strawberries, cherries, oranges, and pineapple. From the objects we have some fruits. We have to know the number of each fruit. First one, let's count together how many mangoes do we have in this picture. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 mangoes in this picture. So, how can we present them in the tally marks, with the tally marks? We said that we will mark each number by a mark like that, a vertical line. So, let's count together 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will not cross them by the fifth one because they are only 4. Let's see how many strawberries do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How can we represent them with the tally marks? So you will start by a vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 vertical lines. We said the fifth one should be cross them like that. So this is a group of 5. How many oranges do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So we will represent them with the tally marks by 3 vertical lines beside each other like that. And the cherries here are 2 only. So we will make 2 tally marks beside each other like that. And we have only 1 pineapple. So I will make only 1 tally mark like that. So this looks much easier to count. Let's take another example here. Here he said to me, from the information collected from students, the modes of transport are listed one below the other. Here we have many modes of transportation. We have bus, train, cycle, and by walk. Let's see how many students preferred to ride a bus. Let's count and let's use the tally marks for easier counting. We said 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines and the fifth one cross them together like that. This is a set of 5, right? So this is the first set of 5 and another 5. So these are 10 and another 5. These are 15. And we have one more, so these are 16. So 16 students preferred to ride the bus. Let's count how many students rides a train. This is a set of 5. Once I look at this set, I know this is a set of 5. So, 5 students prefer train. How many students ride a cycle? This is a set of 5. These are 5 tally marks. And 2 more, these are 7. And by walk, here we have the first set of 5 and another 5, these are 10 together, and 2 more, so 12 students by walk. And we can notice here that if we looked at the cycle, if we completed a set of 5 like that, and we get to 6, we have to start at next set like that. So this is the first set, right? And any number more, I will make it in another set. And now let's take another example from our book, page 654. He said to me here, you can take a survey to collect data. Survey is a way of collecting information. Data is another way for information. So, you can record the data with tally marks. Greg asked his classmates, his friends in his class, which lunch was their favorite. So, we have here pizza, sandwich, salad, and pasta. And here the numbers of the tally marks. And the tally marks in the tally chart show the children's answers. Each tally mark stands for one child's choice. So let's count how many tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 students preferred pizza at lunch. And here we have a set of 5 tally marks and one more, so these are 6 students preferred sandwich. And here 3 students preferred salad, and this is a set of 5, right? So 5 students preferred pasta. In page 656, here we have a problem solving. Michael asked her classmates to choose their favorite subject. She made this tally chart. How many more classmates choose math than reading? So, these are the subjects here: reading, math, and science. And here the tally marks represent how many students prefer each subject. At reading, we can notice here this is the first 5, so, and one more, so these are 6. At math, the first set of 5 and 4 more, so these are 9. At science, we have 2 fifths, the first one and the second one, so these are 10. So we have here 6, 9, and 10. He asked me how many more classmates choose math than reading. So we will look at math and reading. Which is more? The students who preferred the math or the students who preferred reading? Of course, the students who preferred math, because the number here is 9 and here is only 6. So, how many more? He wants to know the difference between the bigger number and the smaller number. So 9 is more than 6 by what? By 3. So 3 more classmates. So the tally marks makes counting more easier. Okay, thank you for watching. See you at the conference session, inshallah. Goodbye.